pew pew. Bunny, I gotta teach you how to pew pew. You're not good at it. Pew pew is wrong. You don't have boobies to go pew pew. Tegan, it can't go pew pew. It can't go pew pew.
Oh.
It can't go pew pew.
Pew pew! Ow, my vagina.
But I can go, woo! Look at my ass. Yes, I'm turning Japanese. Yes, I'm turning Japanese. Yes, I think so. Yes, I think so. Don't you laugh my song? Don't you? Yay! I like the bunny. Hi. You gonna marry me?
No.
We're gonna get married.
No, I don't want to marry you.
But I like
She's
that.
touching me in a dirty way.
I like the bunny. The bunny and me are gonna get married.
Stop
Wait.
touching me.
We need a hat. A hot hat. But the hot boy's hat. Oh, where is the hat?
Tegan, save me.
No, Tegan, my champion. Hiya. Pew, pew. Pew, 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 pew. I know, let you capture my bunny.
I didn't even know what it was.
Pew, pew. Oh no, it's stuck. Bunny. Oh, Dad. You valley, Dad.
Oh, yeah.
But my husband, he would like very much. Mac will marry me. He's weird. He don't know me. But the bunny said yes. And the bunny's gonna wear a hat to our wedding. And then And then Dane will get to be my best friend. And Tegan's gonna go die. Cause I'm gonna go floating up. Hold on. Okay, we're all good. Pew, 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 pew. She's dead. There's blood all over the place. Hi, Dean. Reach, you're a dirty boy. Dang, you're a dirty boy. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Oh, you like it. You like me, Becky. Me like, oh. Me like you very much. Yeah. Oh, yeah, the bunny like. Oh, bunny like. The bunny like. Arr. Where's my phone? I need another phone. What do you want from my phone? I found it. I'm married.
Ow.
I'm married now. I'm married now. The bunny married me. He said I do. And I said I do. And Tegan said. But that's okay. Because she's dead. She's dead, woman. Wait. I have the message. Did you get the picture of that person? No. She no got it. I like them. I like them dirty. This is a dirty. My bunny is a dirty boy. Yeah, a very dirty boy. I got it. Watching porn. He was very dirty. The porn was bunny porn. And the bunnies were eating each other's ears and making weird noises. Like, oh, are you my new husband?